Hi everyone, welcome to LearnXplore. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about algebraic fractions. What is an algebraic fraction? An algebraic fraction is one in which the denominator is an algebraic expression. The numerator may or may not be an algebraic expression. For example, 3 over x is an algebraic fraction, but x over 3 is not. Also, x over x plus y is an algebraic fraction, but x plus y over x is not. The fraction may have one or two terms as the denominator. The fraction with one term as a denominator is referred to as monomial fraction. These are few of the examples. The fraction with two terms as denominator are referred to as binomial fraction. These are few examples. Simplification of fractions. Simplifying fractions means that the fractions are to be written in their reduced forms. The process involved finding the LCM of the denominators, expressing each fraction as a fraction with a common denominator. The numerator is then factorized and division follows. The student should note that terms are not to be cancelled but factors, and only factors of the whole expression in both the numerator and the denominator are to be cancelled. For example, simplify 2 over x minus 1 minus 3 over x minus 2. The LCM is x minus 1 in brackets and x minus 2 in brackets. This denominator is divided by this, and we use the remainder to multiply the numerator. Here is how I did it. Place it like this. This one will cancel out this, so the remainder is what I use to multiply the numerator. We have this. We do the same for the second part, and we have this. Now, if I expand the brackets by multiplying the brackets by what you have outside the brackets, we have this. 2x minus 3x is equal to minus x. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Place the denominator. You can leave your answer like this or factorize it like this. Another example. 3 minus 2 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 in brackets squared. The LCM is x minus 3 squared in brackets like this. Do you know how? What in the brackets is the same as what we have outside the bracket, but this one is bigger than that. Now this is what I'll do next. The LCM divided by 1 is equal to the LCM. Now multiply it by the numerator. We have this. Do the same division on the remaining part. We have this. We might confuse, or you might be confused on how I got this. Just arrange it this way. Since the square indicates that we have what we have here is 2, then if one of it is cancelled out, the remainder is what I used to multiply the top. Open the brackets, we have this. By adding or by addition and subtraction, we can reduce it to this, and that's the final answer. Simplify x over 3y minus x minus y over 3x plus 1. The LCM is equal to 3y minus x in brackets times 3x. Now let me teach you one trick. Amongst the LCM, you can see that this part has the first bracket, so multiply it by the second bracket, and this part has what is in the second bracket, so multiply what is in the other bracket. I mean, you multiply by what is in the other bracket. For this part, it has none, so multiply it by the two brackets. Now let's open the brackets. This part gives 3x squared. This part gives minus 3y squared plus xy. I'm multiplying what's outside of the bracket by what's inside the bracket, and for this part I first multiply this bracket together and then multiply it by 1. Then I got this. Adding and subtracting the like term, we have 10xy minus 3y squared all over the denominator. You can leave your answer like this, or you factorize it and you have this as the final answer. And that's all for this lesson. Until we meet again next time. Goodbye.